Hi guys, this is making pancake. That's one apple and four bananas. You just chop them up and put them in the blender. I'll start with the apples. Just chop them up. This is a lovely raw vegan pancake recipe. It definitely requires a dehydrator, or you use your oven at the lowest setting. You have to have a Teflon sheet so it doesn't stick. And yeah, so I'm just blending up. I have to use the tamper so it can blend through. Here I didn't blend it all the way through because it left with some chunks, because I was not patient apparently. So here I just blending apparently. Then I decided to put a pinch of salt, but it's not necessary, but I thought why not. So I put a pinch of salt because the bananas are not as sweet, but it's advisable to use ripe bananas. So here I'm just putting it in the Teflon sheet and the tray there. This recipe of 4 bananas and 1 apple is going to make only 2 pancakes, so that's what it is. That's the simplest recipe ever. Just take fruit, blend them up, and you have a pancake. Okay, these ones are going to stay in the dehydrator for 2 hours at 115 degrees Celsius, and they will, when they become hard at the top, then I'll show you as I'm going to flip them to the other side. As the top part dries, then you're just going to flip. So yeah, I'm just trying to make as nice a round circle of a pancake as I can make using the back of a spoon. Here there's no science to it or technique. It's just trying smoothly as making as round as possible. Pancake shape. So all that will enter into the dehydrator. You see, it's only 2 ingredients, no water needed, because you are obviously going to dry it out. And it's actually like a pancake. As you can see how it looks lovely. So you can see the white spots, the apples that I didn't blend completely. So now I'm just going to put 1 tray on top with its mesh, and then I flip. I forgot the tray, so I'm going to take it. I apologize here. I was holding the tray and holding my phone, so things happen. So now I'll just flip it. So just flip. Ta-da. That's it. Then I try and remove the Teflon sheet, as peel it off as best I can. Here I was not able to show you because I didn't realize I was not focusing on what I'm doing. So there you go. As you can see me just peel it off slowly. That ended. I was not patient with it, but doesn't really matter. So that's how they look. Then another 2 hours in the dehydrator and they are done. It's the simplest recipe I've ever seen. This one I learned it from the Uncooked book by Cara Brotman. This is one of the recipes in her book. As you can see, it is lovely. It looks so nice. It folds. It's nice and warm because it's in the dehydrator. See, it's nice. Even it tears when you fold it nicely. So I'm just going to chop some bananas, and that's it, I guess, because I didn't have anything else. I didn't have whipped cream or maple syrup or anything. As you can see, it's a true pancake. It's delicious. Yeah, that's it, guys. I thought this was a nice recipe to show you, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next one.